Hello physios, get back to my channel SPN's Nia Physio Notes. Today we learn on the important topic of orthosis, which is also basic important to be learned out. While going to the definition, an orthosis is a brace or splint or artificial device to support limbs or spine to prevent or assist relative movement. We have some general principles. It are use of forces, like it can utilize forces to limit or assist movements. For example, spring in a joint, it can stress by one motion and then it recoils to the opposite motion. We have example leaf spring orthosis and can sensation by it often covers skin and decreases the sensory feedback. We can also correcting a mobile deformity like in genu recurvatum or hyperextension of the knee. It can correct forces by the balance of proximal and distal counter forces. We have adjustability for indicated for children to accommodate the growth and patients with some progressive disorders. And also we can maintenance and cleaning. We have comfort for easy to wear and comfortable to use. This is possible by the forces mean for correction or distributed over the largest area. And we can also have application 7th principle with some easy donning and doffing. And cosmosis like it is important especially in the hand. A functionally but unsightly orthosis is often rejected if patient values appearances over function. And next we have classification of orthosis. According to functional classification, it has some support too. It stabilizes the joint. And supports the body in its anatomical position. And functionally, it stabilizes the joint. For example, foot drop splint in common peroneal nerve and dynamic cock-up splint in wrist drop. We can correct you by the corrected deformities. We can protect you by during its healing. We have rigid 4-post collar for fracture cervical vertebra. This is a major protective classification. 4-poster collar rigid. And we can also have the strengthened group of muscles. Example is your tenodesis. And also the relief of pain to the lumbosacral corset by the lower back, and it prevents painful movement. We can prevent weight bearing. A weight bearing, it might be a relieving orthosis. It is prescribed for the conditions like any fracture calcaneum. Will it take weight away from the injured site? And according to regional classification, we have cervical orthosis, head cervical orthosis, head cervical thoracic orthosis, sacral orthosis, lumbosacral orthosis, thoracolumbosacral orthosis. While going to the upper extremity orthosis, we have shoulder and arm orthosis, elbow orthosis, wrist and hand orthosis. While going to the lower extremity orthosis, foot orthosis, ankle foot orthosis, knee ankle foot orthosis, hip knee ankle foot orthosis. Well, these all orthosis will be detail explained with the upcoming video. And we have some indications like we use for stroke and any weakness of your muscles like quadriceps. Going to the knee hyperextension, it is called genu recurvatum. And your spina bifida having 2 spines, and instability of joint like knee joint and cerebral palsy. Like we have contraindications when the deformity is very severely, and whether you having any skin infections and any psychological mental problems, and it may have your limitation of movement. And also the disadvantages like it may be a loss of skin due to some compressible forces of proximal and distal counter forces. It can be reduction in bone density, and you can cause some skin ulcers, and you can have weakening of axial muscles like your trunk muscles. While going to precautions, it may injury to skin, whether it may be nerve compression, failure to protect. And uses of orthosis, it can be immobile a joint to prevent deformity. We have polio, and to assist movement for polio. To correct the deformities like we have Volkmann contracture for your digits, hands, fingers, and to relieve weight bearing and united fracture to provide support fractured spine. This is your basic orthosis for your classification, definition, disadvantages, precautions, and uses of orthosis. Thanks for watching.